It is a very tough time to be an American right now. Every single day, some politician is just doing whatever they want. They're ignoring data and facts and reason and just doing whatever they feel like just to benefit themselves and all of their rich friends. So then I sit back as a data viz designer and I'm like, does data even matter? What is the role of data these days? And some data doesn't matter right now. Like raw data, it doesn't matter. If your data is hiding inside Excel files, CSV files, some database, oh, it's on your website, but you have to download it or export it, that doesn't matter. I don't know a single leader, decision maker, policy maker. I don't know anybody in charge who's going to open up a spreadsheet and crunch the numbers themselves. It doesn't work like that. This data doesn't matter. And then people are like, well, Anne, I wrote a report, but the report, it looks like this. It looks like this. This report doesn't matter. Nobody is going to read this. You know this. I have known this for a long, long time. Why are we still doing this? This doesn't matter. Infographics that are dumbed down and oversimplified, they break accessibility rules. They have this stupid little gingerbread people and pie charts and like big decorative numbers. These don't matter. This doesn't matter. Stop wasting your time on these stupid infographic templates. What maybe stands a chance? Well, obviously nothing is too complex. That doesn't matter. But also don't go the too simplified route. We're not doing this. We're not doing the little cutesy icon. We're not doing the big number approach. That is way too simple. Data viz, data storytelling, where it's complexity, all the nuances of your data, but it's simplified in a way that isn't talking down to people. It's just meeting them where they're at. It's just communicating in real human language with real human numbers. This middle section is where I would love for you to hang out with me. I just got an email from a librarian 5-10 minutes ago, and she was like, I want to use data to make sure public libraries aren't defunded. Yes, more of that energy.